Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
This is one of the hardest things for homeowners to do. Much of us, we're very reactive. Oh, I got a leak. I need to do something about it now. But prevention is always more affordable than reaction.
Yeah, so that's my biggest thing I always tell customers, and I live by it too. You got to be proactive and not reactive, because once you're reactive, you're paying for more than you initially had to. And so if your roof is already in that realm, like if it's a tile roof and it's in that realm of 15 to 25 years, then you should consider replacing it. Even if you have, like, let's say you have a flat roof system that has foam on it, people don't realize that too. And I'm kind of taking a step back, but even with the foam roofs, there's maintenance with foam roofs. You have to, stay on top of the coatings. Every 5 to 7 years, it has to be coated. So even staying on top of that will keep the longevity of the foam, because you're staying on top of keeping it sealed.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.